Bright neon nails and easy nail art? Yes, please. I'm totally here for it. So today we're going to be creating a super bright neon nail look using the Valla Neon Trend Collection. These colors are absolutely stunning and perfect for summer, and I'm going to show you how to create a really trendy chrome-inspired nail design. But the best part about the nail look that we're doing today is that it's so much easier than it looks, super beginner friendly, and it's going to give you a chrome finish without the chrome mess. We're going to get into it. So I grabbed a whole bunch of things because I didn't originally know how I was going to dive into this nail look until it all came together. Now the star of our show are these beautiful neons from Valla. These neons they're like no other that I have in my collection. They're bright, they're beautiful, they're bold, but they are one coat coverage. I'm going to show you what this pink looks like with 2 coats, but then the rest of the colors I'm going to go in with 1 coat. You're going to see 5 out of the 8 colors. So even if you're not into the easy nail art, this is a great video for you to see colors. And that's what I like to show in my videos, is I like to really showcase you the different colors so you can get a good feel if a collection or colors are going to be right for you. And then once we apply the colors, we just have fun with some easy nail art, right? Just to make the whole look just all come together. But if you're on the hunt for the perfect neons for this summer season, these just might be for you. So I do really like them because of their 1 coat coverage. These are going to be great for implementing nail art too, if you'd like to do just like anything with these with a dotting tool or with a liner brush. You're gonna get really beautiful opacity. These are not patchy and they are not streaky. I will say, sometimes when you're playing with mattes, they tend to have like this like dark shadowing effect to them. These do not. These are really, really beautiful. So just for the pink, I'm just showing you that you can definitely build it up if you want to do 2 coats. For me personally, I do not see a difference with the 1 coat versus 2 when it comes to this pink here. Again, it's bright, it's beautiful. It is everything. So you're going to see what the colors look like, kind of like with the glossy finish, and then I am going to throw a matte on top of them too. So you're going to get kind of best of both worlds when it comes to seeing these colors today in action. But look at that. Isn't that coverage insane? I was not expecting this formula to be this good. Now I do love the Valla Cotton Pastel collection. If you love that formula, think of that one, but even better. That's what this collection is right here. And you can get these colors individually or the entire collection. Honestly, if you are still on that hunt for neons, this is going to have everything covered for you. And look at that. Not patchy, not streaky. This is the ideal bright coral true red. I tend to gravitate towards this kind of like fiery, hot kind of tamale look versus like a basic orange. And then here are the 2 colors side by side, just kind of you can get a good feel on the color difference, but absolutely beautiful. I do like the bottles, how they have the color of the bottle of the color that we're applying. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into the rest of these beautiful colors so you can see them in action. And then I'm going to pop back in when it's time to hit them with that velvety matte top coat. Now, if this doesn't scream summer, I do not know what to tell you because this is the ideal summer color palette right here. I love it just like this. But we're going to go ahead and just hit it with a matte top coat. So just go in with your favorite matte top coat. And then I'm just going to go in with the Easy Dust from Bevlah because originally I was going to do something completely different with this set. Before we go in with the matte top coat, I'm just going to cleanse each nail with a lint-free wipe with alcohol on it. And then once that nail is completely dry, we're just going to go in with the matte top coat. We're just going to apply it to all the nails and then cure for a full 60 seconds. Now, I'm not going to tell you what we originally were going to do with this set because we're still going to do it just at a later time. I figured let's do something really easy without all the fuss of the isolation chrome aspect and putting charms on. So that's what this look turned into. All right, so we have the perfect neon velvety finish here. I'm loving what this looks like just like this with the matte finish. The yellow honestly probably could have used 2 coats, and that's pretty common when you're working with a bright neon. It looked completely fine, but when I hit it with the matte, it just kind of took a different turn. So just keep that in mind with the yellow. All right, so here's our little secret weapon. We have a nail sticker sheet that is gonna give us that chrome jewelry cross nail look that we all want right now. It's super trendy, but we're just gonna put some stickers on some nails, and I have no shame in my sticker game. I love a good, easy, effortless nail look, and this is what's going to give us that today. And it's super fun. Crosses are super trendy right now, so I really like the whole idea of this. So we're just going to go ahead for the green nail. We're just going to layer some stickers on top of the nail, and then this sheet also has a little bit of like jewelry embellishments to it too. So we're just going to do just a really fun nail look, just incorporating these stickers. And then to keep that matte finish and to seal in the stickers so they don't start peeling and they still have like that chrome metal shine to them, I'm going to show you a really easy way to seal those in, but yet still keeping your velvety matte finish. So when you are applying the stickers, I always like to go ahead and just cleanse the nail with a lint-free wipe with alcohol, and then when it dries, put my stickers on. I just feel like I get the best adhesion when it comes to the stickers. And then I like to use either the tweezers that I'm using right now that has the silicone tool on the end of it, or just grab a silicone tool and just really just rub that sticker into the nail. That's just going to help that nail or that sticker just like completely flat to the nail. So for this cross right here, I thought this was really fun. It has a lot of details to it. And then I'm just going to add, it was a cross, but I'm just going to flip it the other direction so it kind of just looks like a different style of nail art here. Look at that. Isn't that fun? I really like that these stickers are not completely flat either. They have texture to them, so we're getting like a little bit of a low-key 2D effect, and I'm totally here for it. So look at this one. That one just had like this little like jewelry cuff I added. All right, so I'm going to go in with the top liner from Bevlah, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just remove all the product off the brush, and then we're just going to carefully just go ahead with this style brush. It's like a liner brush, so it's like not your traditional like brush that you would have on a top coat. And then we're just going to go ahead and just brush right over those stickers here just to seal everything in. Now, if you do not have any of the elements from the Bevlah M.Aura collection, there is a Jin.B top coat that has a liner brush as well that will also do the exact same trick, and that liner brush is actually thinner than this one right here, so that is an alternative as well. But once we go ahead and just seal in these stickers, I'm going to pop everything in the lamp, give it a full cure for 60 seconds, and then that is going to be our really easy nail art, right? It looks like chrome, it looks like we put charms on here, but they're actually stickers. And I love how just like this silver has a little bit of like a black tinge to it, so it really just gives it almost like that vintage jewelry look, and I'm totally here for it. And these neons are absolutely stunning. They're bright, they're vibrant. It looks so good with a matte finish. I've been wearing this set for 3 days now. I've been putting cuticle oil on and lotion, and I'm not getting any dark spots on the neons either. So that is definitely a plus. It's absolutely a beautiful formula with that Valla Neon Trend Collection. If you're just gonna grab a couple, definitely recommend these neons right here just on the color payoff themselves. But overall, I had so much fun creating a really easy nail look, and I love the whole cross thing right now. It is absolutely fun, and it looks really good on top of a neon base, just giving us a little pop of summer, right? All right, so everything we use in today's video can be found in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next one.